Hi YouTube, this is Siege. I made 4 YouTube videos today, and please like them, and please subscribe to me, because I don't have that many subscribers. So fortunately, this is my last video, because I have to go to bed soon, because I'm on a high school schedule, and you know how that's like, it's kind of tough. This song I made months ago, it's about payphone and heartbreak at the same time, so. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Called you up on the phone, saying you loved me, then you took it all back. Threw the phone at my face and said, I don't want you no more. I'm at a payphone trying to call you, but you're not answering me. I give you all my love, turned into heartbreak, trying to forget about it. I remembered all those times we used to love, and I remember all those times you said you loved me, but you didn't. I gave you every choice, every chance, and you blew it. I'm at a payphone trying to call you. You won't pick up the phone this time. Trying to say I love you, but then you take it all back. You say you love someone else, baby. I don't need to hear it. I don't need to know. But you're breaking my heart every time you pick up the phone. Say you love me, but then you don't. I'm at a payphone trying to call you. You say you love me, then you don't. You take it all back. I give you my heart. I give you this last chance. Ooh, 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 I remembered all those times we used to love. I remember all those memories. I remember everything with you, but it didn't turn out like it used to be, baby. I'm at a payphone trying to call you, but you won't answer me. Trying to say I love you, but you threw it back in my face, and then you take it all back.